有啥的？
我属羊，
我是羊。
奥利弗新年快乐！
谢谢你们，我也祝你们新年快乐。
不，我们是中国人，我们的新年还没来。
我们中国有春节，大家都回老家。
每年春节的日期都不一样，这是跟月球有关系的。
你听说过12生肖吗？
就是中共那个电影吗？
不是，12生肖就是12个动物。
每年都有一个动物，比如2019年是猪年，我属马。
我属羊，
我属狗，
我属龙，
我属猪。
我也是。
真的？那你大我12岁。
是的。
谢人。
Hi there, and welcome to this new lesson Chinese for Beginners. My name is Oliver. In order to understand this lesson, you must have studied all my previous lessons. You can find them on the website chinesewitholiver.com.
奥利弗新年快乐！
谢谢你们。The girls say 新年快乐. Xian is new, and nian, as you know, is year. 快乐 means happy. So 新年快乐, New Year happy. 谢谢你们，我也祝你们新年快乐。
不。
First I say 谢谢你们, thank you, where you is plural. And then I say 我也祝你们新年快乐. I also wish you New Year happy. 新年快乐。
不，我们是中国人，我们的新年还没来。
我们中国有。
First he says 不，我们是中国人. No, we are Chinese. And then 我们的新年还没来. Our New Year still hasn't come.
年还没来。
我们中国有春节，大家都回老家。
每年春节。
First he says 我们中国有春节. We, China, have 春节. Chun is spring and tie is festival. And this spring festival is the Chinese New Year, mostly celebrated between mid-January and mid-February. And then she says, 大家都回老家. Everybody returns to 老家. And that literally means old home. In English we would say hometown or home city.
老家。
每年春节的日期都不一样，这是跟月球有关系的。
你听说过？
First he says, 每年春节的日期都不一样. Every year, the 日期 of the Spring Festival is not the same. 日期, that is a specific calendar date. For example, January 1st, 2019. Then she says, 这是跟月球有关系的. 跟 something 有关系 in English is with something have a relation. In this context, it would be to be related to. And 月球 literally means moon ball. In English, the moon. So when she says 这是跟月球有关系的, then she means that the date of the Spring Festival is related to the moon. It depends on the position of the moon.
有关系的。
你听说过12生肖吗？
就是 She asks, 你听说过12生肖吗? 听说 literally means hear, speak. In English, to hear about something. When you say 过 after a verb, then that verb turns into the past tense. It's very similar to 了 after a verb, which has the same effect. So 听说过 means to have heard about. 生肖 is an animal of the Chinese Zodiac, which consists of 12 animals in total.
12生肖吗？
就是中共那个电影吗？
不是12生。
I ask, 就是成龙那个电影吗？成龙 that is the Chinese name of Jackie Chan. Please remember the second character, Long. It means dragon and is one of the 12 animals of the Chinese Zodiac. Jackie Chan made a movie in 2012 called Chinese Zodiac or 12生肖. 电影, that is a movie. 电影吗？
不是12生肖就是12个动物，每年都。
She says, 不是12生肖就是12个动物. No, the 12生肖 are 12 动物. 动物 is animal.
12个动物，每年都有一个动物，比如2019年是猪年，我属马，我属羊。
First he says, 每年都有一个动物. Every year has one animal. 比如2019年是猪年. For example, the year 2019 is the pig year. Then she says, 我属马. I 属 horse. The verb 属 means to belong to. So 我属马 means I belong to the horse, or what it really means, I was born in the year of the horse. In English we would simply say I am a horse.
属马，我属羊，
我属狗，
我属龙，
我属猪。
我也是. The other 4 girls say which animal they are. You already know the third and fourth one. Long, that is a dragon, as I just explained. And Zhu, that is a pig. But now yang and go. Yang means sheep. And go, that is a dog.
龙，
我属猪。
我也是.
真的啊？
I say 我也是. Me too. 我也是.
真的啊？那你大我12岁。
是的. She says, 真的，那你大我12岁. Really? Then you da me 12 岁. Da, as you know, means big, but it can also be used as a verb, to be older than. And sway means years when talking about somebody's age. So when she says 你大我12岁, she actually says you are 12 years older than me. Let me explain. The Chinese zodiac consists of 12 different animals. So if 2 persons are the same animal and their age is not the same, then the age difference must be 12 years, or a multitude of 12 years.
12岁。
是的.
谢人。
I say yes. And then the girls say 骗人. 骗, as you know, means to cheat. So a 骗人 is a liar or a cheater. Right, now I will show you the conversation once more, but this time without subtitles.
有啥的？
我属我属羊，我不信啊。
阿弥陀新年快乐！
谢谢你们，我也祝你们新年快乐。
不，我们是中国人，我们的新年还没来。
我们中国有春节，大家都回老家。
每年春节的日期都不一样，这是跟月球有关系的。
你听说过12生肖吗？
就是中东那个电影吗？
不是12生肖就是12个动物，每年都有一个动物，比如2019年是猪年，我属马，我属羊，
我属狗，
我属龙，
我属猪。
我也是。
真的啊？那你大我12岁。
是的。
谢人。
You can find all the lessons on the website ChineseWithOliver.com.